What is up, traders? Hope everybody's doing well. Today I'm going to be going over this short position taken on NASDAQ that resulted in a nice, beautiful win. So let's get straight into it. Higher time frames on the 1 hour chart, I was already bearish from yesterday. I wanted to see this London low from yesterday to be swept, and then also us to tap into this 4 hour inefficiency right here that we did tap into eventually today, right there. So and then coupling that with SMT where NQ swept that high whilst ES did not. This ultimate high right here, we can see that ES failed to sweep yesterday. So from yesterday we had this nice beautiful SMT that was leading into the day, and then even when we drop down to the lower time frames, we do have even more SMTs that got created during London session and even during the New York when it opened. So we had this SMT right here we had where ES failed to make a new high and Q made a new high again. So that was another internal SMT or lower time frame SMT, whatever way you want to say it. And then after market open, we had this other SMT where ES popped up after market open, made a new high here, internal high, swept some buy side, and then NQ did not do so. So a lot of SMTs, higher time frame SMTs and lower time frame SMTs with a target of lower prices. This is London lows from yesterday or the previous trading day on Monday. This is where the 4 hour inefficiency starts, and then this is just some trailing sell side right here. And then also we had the new week opening gaps, highs and lows as targets as well, draws on liquidity, the March 9th new week opening gaps. So dropping down to the lower time frame, 5-minute chart, I said, okay, if I'm going to be, I think I got the wrong chart. Okay, let's get NQ. So lower time frames, I said, okay, if I'm going to be bearish, I want to see this 5-minute inefficiency hold. So obviously include that volume imbalance. I believe there's a small volume imbalance there. So I said, okay, I want to see this 5-minute inefficiency hold. We got this SMT that I just outlined, and this happened after market open. So that 5-minute inefficiency beautifully held. Drop down to the 1 minute, waiting for my macro timing, obviously as usual. Not entering before anything before 9:45. So this is the 9:45 candle. We have this 1 minute order block that is now a breaker block right here. You can see that, right? This candle. So we have up, down, up, and then we inverse it. So it's a breaker block. We close below it, come back up, tap into midpoint, beautifully respect it, and then close below the 933 value gap. As soon as we did that, entry here, stop loss right above that breaker, and then take profit. I had my final TP at the sell side that I had outlined, which is the 4 hour start of the inefficiency, which is right there, right? So that was my final take profit right there. Now I didn't hold until then because I took my first partial here at this sell side liquidity. This wasn't worth for me to take any partials. I did move my stop loss to break even as soon as we did tap into this sell side, but since I was very heavy biased, this was not worth for me to take any partials. If anything, if I get stopped out and then I see a continuation, I'll re-enter, but move to break even here, and then took my first partial, half of my position here, and then I want to see the rest run to here, but I cashed out at around this region over here, simply because ES swept some major sell side at that point. So I was like, okay, I'm good. I'm content with this move. I don't need to catch the majority or the what's left of this move. So I decided to just close it fully at there for about 125 handle move, which is very, very nice and very beautiful. And also I did catch, or was able to catch, the exact same entry almost as ICT. So that's always something nice to see. So yeah, that's going to be it. Hope you guys found this insightful. If you want more pre and post session analysis just like this, feel free to join my free Discord. Link is in the description. Also, if you're starting out or struggling with trading, I do have my one-on-one mentorship. So if you want to book your free discovery call, see if you qualify for my mentorship, feel free to do so. Link for that is in the description. Also, I'm posting my free mentorship here on YouTube in terms of the video-wise mentorship. So if you want to tune in and watch that, feel free to do so. All right. Hope you guys found this insightful. Until next time, stay safe and happy.